Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you enjoyed that first race with my first 6 Hot Wheels cars. First cars I've ever bought. We're going to be back. We're going to have more races. They're going to get bigger the more cars that I get. Right now though, I've been back to the shop and in my tub I've got some more Hot Wheels cars hiding. Some new ones that I'm going to be adding and we're going to improve in the next race. So, let's get into it. We have, and I have purchased from the Blue Series, what is this one? 64 Chevy Nova wagon. Now, yeah, I know it's not a four-wheel drive, but I can't always find the four-wheel drives when I go into the shop to purchase them. So we will see what else I can find. But yeah, the Chevy 64 Chevy doesn't want to come out of the packet. It wants to stay in there. Come on, little car. Boy, now he's coming out. Oh, look at that nice pink bottom. There we go, Chevy 64 Nova. Very, very low rider. Going to be interesting to see how that one races. Let's see what's next. Into the box we go. And out comes another Blue Series. As I said, I went shopping. So we might be going through the Blue Series here. We have a 67 Austin minivan. Here we go. Let's open up the 67 Austin minivan. Now remember, I do have some special cars that I have ordered coming. So keep an eye out in the future videos for those. Austin, look at that. That's a classic looking car. Well, remember, we're going to be opening 6 more cars today. So, in we go again, and out with another Blue Series. We have Pass and Gasser. That's an interesting name for a car, but okay. Part of the Blue Series on the Hot Wheels. Let's open him up. Here we go, get him out. The Pass and Gasser. Oh look, he's got a hole in his top, an open sunroof type thing. Look at that. Oh, it's not pink on the bottom either. One, two, three cars. 3 to go. Next we have this one, another Blue Series. This is called the Evil Twin. Dun, 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 dun. We'll see how this one races. It's very, very long and sleek. Yeah, we'll just have to check it out and have a look. Here we go. Out comes the Evil Twin. 2 motors in there. Not sure they do anything because it's a Hot Wheels car. Very, very sleek, very streamlined. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have a look. I said we would be doing 6, so I have 6 cars. We have the 49 Ford F1 truck. Now this is a ute, getting closer to the 4-wheel driving ones. And in that last race, if you haven't seen it, check it out. I really thought that one of those 4-wheel drives was going to win, but there was a big wipe out there at the end, and the what was it? The Porsche came. I think it was the Porsche came back. No, the Mercedes F whatever came screaming back. So there we have a ute. Once again, very low rider. Unsure that's how that is going to affect the racing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 1 more car. And now I have one left in here to open today. Let's pull it out and see what it is. And if we look on the back, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's all of the Blue Series. So we have all the Blue Series. So we may have to do just a race at some point with only the Blue Series. But we're going to expand the field in our next race, and we're going to do a 12-car race. So make sure you keep an eye out for that video. So finally here we have the 21 Ford Bronco. And it is the Mud Stud. The Mud Stud Ford 21 Bronco is our final car in today's opening of Hot Wheels. Here we go. Open it up. There we go. Oh, she's fairly short. I reckon we could get some spinny action happening on this one. It might be a good one to wipe out. This one here, nice long wheelbase, probably not going to wipe out as much. So there we have it, guys. Today's 6 cars. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Keep an eye out for the racing. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe, and smash that thumbs up. See you around on YouTube, guys.